This is another convergence test, Rabi's test. The summation un of positive term and limit n tend into infinity n into un upon un plus 1 minus 1 is equal to L. And if L is greater than the 1, then series convergent. L is lesser than 1, series divergent. L is equal to 1, this test fail. Here un plus 1 in the denominator. This test to be applied when D'Alembert ratio test is fail. Now we discuss about the convergence of this sequence series. So let summation un given by 1 3 5 up to 2n minus 1 and 2 4 6 up to 2n x to the power n. Un plus 1 is this. We replace n by n plus 1. Limit n tend into infinity un plus 1 upon un. So this become x. Everything depend on the value of x. N into this is converges when x is less than 1, diverges when x is greater than 1, and for x is equal to 1 this test fail. And then we apply Rabi's test n multiply by un upon un plus 1 minus 1. So this is the expression, and applying the limit we get 1 by 2 which is less than 1. Therefore by Rabi's test the series is divergent. Now for this series, this is the general term, and un plus 1 is this, un plus 1 upon un is this, and this is x square. So by D'Alembert ratio test, if x square lesser than 1 then convergent, and if x square greater than 1 then diverges. For x equal to 1 test fail, and if we apply Rabi's test, by applying Rabi's test we get this, and un upon un plus 1 minus 1 is this expression, multiplying by n and applying limit n tends to infinity we get this 3 by 2, and this 3 by 2 is greater than 1, that's why series convergent. If x is equal to minus 1, then terms being reversed and series remain convergent. If x square lesser than 1, then divergent. If x square lesser than 1, then convergent, and x square greater than 1, then divergent. Now this is the question, and this is general term un and un plus 1. Un upon un plus 1 is this, and this is the logarithmic series. And taking log in common, then we get this given expression, and this we find by the help of binomial theorem. Multiply both the bracket, we get this expression, and limit n tend into infinity un divided by un plus 1, we get the value 1. And we know that for this test is fail. That's why by Rabi's test n into un upon un plus 1 minus 1 we get 0, and 0 is less than 1. That's why by Rabi's test this series is convergent. Test the convergence of the series. This next problem, we find un plus 1 and ratio un upon un plus 1, that is 1 by x, into this given expression. We apply logarithmic series, and after applying logarithmic series we get 1 by x, and 1 by x is greater than 1, then series convergent, less than 1 then the series divergent. For x equal to 1 this test fail. By Rabi's test we get n un upon un plus 1 minus 1, and this value 0 which is less than 1, therefore series is divergence.